It was a quiet Tuesday morning when Anna walked into my clinic. She was in her early 30s, calm but clearly uncomfortable. "My ear feels full," she explained, "like there's something blocking it. I tried using drops, but it didn't help." I nodded, already suspecting the culprit: compacted earwax. I guided her to the examination chair and adjusted the light. "Don't worry, Anna," I said with a reassuring tone. "We'll take a closer look using an endoscope. It's a tiny camera that lets us see inside your ear in real time. We'll clean it gently and safely." With the endoscope connected to a small screen, I slowly inserted it into her right ear canal. The image appeared clearly. Dark, dense earwax was tightly packed just a few millimeters from the eardrum. It was no wonder she felt pressure and reduced hearing. "Looks like we found the problem," I told her. "The wax is blocking most of the canal. But the good news is, we'll remove it step by step using a safe and precise technique with the endoscope's help." I reached for the fine suction tool and a set of microhooks designed for use with an endoscope. The live camera gave me full visibility as I navigated gently through the narrow canal. With each movement, the monitor showed exactly what I was doing. No guesswork. As I began the process, the sound of soft suction filled the room. The wax didn't come loose immediately. It had been there for a while and was tightly stuck to the canal walls. I applied a few drops of sterile olive oil to soften it, waiting a moment for it to take effect. Piece by piece, the wax started to release. First small flakes, then larger chunks. The camera caught every moment in crisp detail, satisfying to see, even for someone who's done this hundreds of times. "You're doing great," I said as Anna remained calm. The larger central mass was next. I carefully used a loop tool under endoscopic view to hook and lift it gently. It shifted slightly, then slowly began to slide outward. Anna flinched, then relaxed. "It's moving," she whispered. I smiled. "That's the biggest part coming out." With one steady pull, the wax dislodged, revealing a clearer view of the shiny, healthy eardrum underneath. The image on the monitor was beautiful, clean, pink, and no signs of damage. Anna blinked as I showed her the screen. "That was inside my ear," she laughed nervously. "No wonder I couldn't hear properly." I nodded. "It's very common. The endoscope helps us clean everything without missing a spot." To make sure everything was clear, I gave the canal a final sweep with a soft cotton probe under visual guidance. Even the tiniest leftover particles were gently removed. No discomfort, no pain, just precision and patience. When the procedure was done, I handed her a mirror and let her see what we had removed. The wax was darker than she expected, thick and slightly hard. "That's been building up for a while," I said. "But it's out now." I shared a few tips for future care. Avoid cotton swabs, don't insert anything into the ear, and consider using eardrops once a month if she's prone to buildup. "And if it feels blocked again," I added, "come back. We'll use the endoscope again." Anna thanked me as she left, smiling and noticeably relieved. "Everything sounds louder now," she joked. "Even my own footsteps." We both laughed. For her, it was a moment of comfort. For me, it was another reminder of why I love this work. With endoscope technology, ear cleaning has become more accurate, more comfortable, and, frankly, more fascinating. Every procedure is a small exploration, and every patient leaves hearing just a little more clearly than before.